Hello, welcome to my demo of my AI agent for Ghostfolio. On the left, I have on the left and right, I have two different concurrent users. On the left, let me show you real quick a simulation of filling in my portfolio and analyzing it. And so this simulates adding $1 million of funds to my portfolio. It says I would like to deposit the following funds. And it says is simulated and no real money. And then I never confirmed it. And then I just said, let's buy 100 shares of Apple, 100 shares of Tesla, 100 shares of Nvidia, and 100 shares of PepsiCo. And it says, okay, great. And it shows the different trades that I want to do. It shows the price of the different stocks that it got from Yahoo Finance. And it mentions that this is the total estimated cost. This is no real money. Reply yes to execute, cancel to abort. These are the different tools that it called. Again, it's 90% confidence because it's using Yahoo Finance and trade prices are always changing. And I say, yes, these are the trade receipts. So it confirmed both the deposit of $1 million USD and my stock purchases. So it purchased over 100K. I have this much cash remaining. And no, all trades are paper trades, no real money's involved. And it shows the all the different tool calls. And then I say, analyze my portfolio and give me some risk assessment. So it shows you your current portfolio. This is how much I have in cash, all my um, different stocks that I have, the low risk factors that I have, um, a lot of liquid cash that's not going to change. I have some diversity. My stocks are in established corporations, all that kind of stuff. Um, and I'm not using a lot of my cash. But the moderate risk factors to consider is like heavy in one concentration tech. Um, these couple of the stocks have some volatility, and because my purchasing power is mostly liquid, not in stocks, eh, is low volatility there. And I'm losing out on opportunity, all that kind of stuff. There's like individual stock risk, the risk of not keeping up with markets, like underperforming, risk of being concentrated on only four companies, and I'm in some volatile um, companies. And it gives considerations to mitigate this risk and that kind of stuff. And it has a disclaimer saying that this is educational, not a personal recommendation. Please consider a financial advisor. And then this is a prompt that simulates a change in portfolio. So it shows you current portfolio and it shows how your portfolio changes, your impact, and all that kind of stuff. It gives you positive effects and risk considerations, and then the market context. Like it got the market price from Yahoo Finance, got your portfolio snapshot, and then it simulated the um, allocations. And then on the right side, I just wanted to showcase a little human interaction with the um, agent. So I'm a new investor. Help me get started. Well, what do I do? It says you got to add some funds. You gotta Here are some different investment options you got. You can buy individual stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrency, practice with paper trading. And then I can help you with portfolio analysis. And then it asks the human, me, questions like what do I want to do? Like what are my goals? How do I get started? How much money do you have? What's your goal? what's your interest? Like, what do you want to do? And I wanted to mess with it. So I was like, let's get started with $1,000. Not that much money. I want to get rich tomorrow. And let's do a mix of ETF, stocks, and crypto. And okay, it saw that I wanted to get started with $1,000. So it's like, okay, let's try depositing $1,000 into your account to get started. Yes to confirm, cancel to abort. It logs it. Yeah, I confirmed it. It gives you a receipt. And then it gives you a reality check. Um, like there's no way you can get rich tomorrow. It doesn't guarantee wealth overnight. And it gives you legitimate investing strategy. It says, well, you can think about high risk, high reward, but there's no get rich. They usually fail. And it gives you an educational starting strategy for a new investor. You got tells you start with a diversified portfolio. Um, start with like individual stocks. Uh, and it gives a little speculative, but it always has this disclaimer. This is educational based on market data. This is not personal finance advice. Real investing requires careful research and professional guidance. And that's pretty much what my agent can do. Let me just quickly showcase some um, tracing that I have. So as over 6,000 counts, a little bit 5% error. I can click on it. It shows the individual stuff, shows the cost of each individual um, chat. And then this is my evals that I have. I have golden sets. I have a golden set for each tool call. Over 100 golden evals. Sanity sets, which is just a subset, just to quickly run, check that each tool is working. As you can see, I did a regression test where it just did the sanity test real quick. And I have scenario tests for different adversarial evals, edge cases, multi-step, and then different scenarios for single tools. And I'm passing 100% my golden sets and about 85% of my scenario tests, mostly failing in like adversarial evals with uh, prompt interjections and all that kind of stuff. And that's pretty much it for my AI agent. I would improve upon this by making this my kind of like my own product, implementing Plaid, and implementing Stripe for, and like having a free version where it's token guarded and Plaid where you can connect your actual brokerage account. And then I would add more guardrails and allow, and then prevent actual real trading and only allow the paper trading on Ghostfolio. And that is my demo. Thank you.